Hello and welcome to an early episode of Free Samples of the Week. I've got two really cool freebies to show you. The first one is the latest blueprint from Fracture Sounds. It's called Dream Zither, works within the free Kontakt Player as always, and brings over the glissando control which was introduced in the Compendium library. What's really cool about that is you can get some really realistic and cool glissandos out of it. Now it's automatically assigned to MIDI CC11. You can change that right here, and essentially what it does, you hit a chord, you'll notice it's not playing anything, but then you start moving your fader, and the faster you play it, the faster it plays the glissando. You can also have it play double the octave as well. Which is super cool, and you can get some really realistic and interesting performances from that easily. Now in terms of dynamics, you can set it to velocity like I have, or mod wheel, or ascending. Note your mod wheel is attached to the atmosphere there as well. And of course, you're not tied to this glissando control. You can turn it off and have a beautiful dreamy zither as well. Now you can tear that reverb completely off an atmospheric layer and get a beautiful intimate sound. But you can go from something like that to something completely the opposite. They currently have their lush reverb on. I'm a big fan of their shimmer one. Let's turn the dampening up a bit, widen the sound, and I'm going to make it a little bit muddier. The contrast and the flexibility that you have with this instrument, not to mention the glissando control you have here as well. Absolutely love that. So lots of flexibility. Just to show you some of the other controls as well. The dampening, gives you a more staccato sound when you have that on max, or if you want to open it right up. My foot's not on the pedal. It's really nice. Stereo width, of course, you can make it more monophonic or widen the sound out, and then colour, brighten it up or muddy it. Of course, you can solo the atmospheric layer and just play that as well. Which is super, I almost want to say creamy. That's a bit weird, so I'm just going to say dreamy. But there you have it, Dream Zither, really cool addition to the Blueprint series, number 25. Can't believe that. Now, moving on to our next freebie, we have a Tong drum by EPS Sounds. Again, works within the free version of Kontakt. You've got two types of mallets, 11 different presets, and it's only 361 megabytes. And this is how it sounds out of the box. Now, it's a little bit quiet out of the box in all honesty, but we turn the volume all the way up to 12. It becomes a lot more audible. And if we turn the space down, you do get a really nice intimate sound. Let's just turn these effects off for now. Well, that's a really nice intimate sound, and you've got, in all honesty, an unbelievable range. Now, the other mallet we have is a rubber mallet, and this is how this one sounds. Again, I'm just going to pipe that up to 12. We'll turn the space off. I like the fact that you've got multiple layers. You can hear that top end. You've got a bit more of a hit. But underneath you do have a really nice paddy sound. And again, a very extreme range, which feels unrealistic, but at the same time I actually really like having an extended range, even if it's beyond what the instrument can actually do, because it gives you so much more flexibility with what you can do with the sound. Now you can see we've got quite a few other presets there, but just exploring the controls that we have. Obviously space, a bit of smear. I want to turn the feedback up there. You have your envelope, a little bit of sheen, and you do have a sequencer with several different loops. If we turn this on, you can have some fun with that as well. I do like the fact that sequencer is in there, gives you some really realistic loops. Now this is when we need to turn this back down a bit. And again, this is completely free, and there's so much you can do with the sound within it. Other than my complaint of it being a little bit quiet, in all honesty, this is a really versatile and cool freebie that doesn't feel free. It feels like I should be paying about £10, £20 dollars for this sort of thing. It's got a beautiful sound, it's got a variety of sounds. I like the inbuilt sequencer. Yeah, it's quiet, but I can forgive it for the quality of sound that it delivers when you pipe it up, even within Kontakt. And actually, currently, this is set to, what, 0, actually, and that's not a bad volume at all. But you do get a really nice dry, raw sound and a variety. But let me know your thoughts. There's 2 really cool freebies. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.